Forget selling products or chasing viral followers. What if you could earn online by helping Americans swap skills? This is a brand new strategy called the digital skill swap economy, and it's changing how people think about side hustles in the US. Here's the idea. Americans have everyday skills that others want to learn. Cooking regional dishes, fixing bikes, organizing taxes, or even teaching guitar. Instead of paying hundreds for courses, people can swap skills directly. And here's where you come in. You build the digital hub that connects them. Think of it like a modern barter system, but online and monetized. How to build? Step 1. Create a simple platform. It could be a Discord server, a Slack group, or even a website. Step 2. Let people list the skills they can teach and the skills they want to learn. Step 3. Monetize. Charge a small membership fee, say $10 a month, for access. Offer premium matchmaking services to connect people faster. Record workshops and sell them as bundles. And partner with US brands that align with skill development, like tool companies, learning apps, or even local colleges. Why it works? This works because Americans are tired of generic advice. They want affordable, practical learning. By focusing on peer-to-peer exchanges, you don't need thousands of followers, just a few hundred paying members. Imagine 1,000 people paying $10 a month. That's $10,000 in steady income while building a collaborative learning community. It's sustainable, scalable, and uniquely American.